Hi, and welcome to this ZonWizard tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enter your product costs so ZonWizard can calculate your margins and profits accurately. There are two ways to do it. The first is by stock, which is the most complete option. You can enter details like the arrival date, production cost, and shipping cost for an entire batch of products. The second is by unit cost, which is the faster option. You simply enter the current cost per item, without tracking individual batches. Both methods can be done manually or by uploading an Excel file. I'll show you how each works step by step right here in ZonWizard. From the side menu, go to Profit, then click Products. Here you'll see a list of your items along with their ASINs and SKUs. To add a stock cost manually, click a product to open its detail page. In the Unit Cost section, click Add, then fill in the stock details. Enter the arrival date, which is when the goods arrive at your warehouse. Enter the production cost, which is the total cost for the entire batch. Enter the transport cost to ship the stock from your supplier to the warehouse. You can also add customs duties and any other additional costs. Finally, enter the quantity, which is the number of units in the batch. Remember to always enter costs VAT excluded, unless you're under a flat rate tax regime. In that case, include VAT. ZonWizard can also factor in leftover stock to calculate the weighted average cost. Select No to only use the current batch. Select Auto to have leftovers calculated automatically. Or select Manual to enter leftover quantities yourself. When you're done, click Create to save. If this is the first time you've entered a cost for a product, ZonWizard will also apply it to past orders so your margin data is more complete. If you prefer to enter a simple cost per item, you can use the same screen. Enter the cost per single unit in the production cost field and set quantity to 1. This method is perfect if you already know your unit price and don't need batch details. If you have a lot of products, bulk upload is faster. Go to Profit, then Bulk Upload, and select the Stock Costs tab. Here you'll see several templates to choose from, each designed for a specific situation. The empty template lets you start from scratch with no pre-filled data. The template pre-filled with SKUs or ASINs lists all your products so you can just fill in the costs. The to-be-configured template only shows products that don't have costs assigned yet, so you can quickly complete missing data. The existing stock template shows stocks you've already uploaded, so you can review or update them. Once you've chosen the right template, fill in the columns. Enter the product identifier. You can choose between SKU or ASIN. Enter the stock arrival date. Choose whether to calculate leftovers automatically by entering 0 for no or 1 for yes. If you prefer to enter leftovers manually, fill in the field for remaining units from previous stock. Enter the production cost, the shipping cost, any customs duties, other optional costs, and finally the quantity in the batch. Save the file, upload it in ZonWizard, and click Upload. The system will process the data and update your product costs. You can also bulk upload unit costs. Go to the Product Unit Costs tab. The template options are similar. The empty template is for new entries. The template pre-filled with SKUs lists all your products for quick updates. The to-be-configured template shows only products without a unit cost. And the current unit cost template lets you review and change existing values. Fill in just 2 columns. Enter the SKU or ASIN and the unit cost. Save and upload your file, and ZonWizard will update the prices automatically. Always enter costs, excluding VAT, unless you're under a flat rate regime. Then, include VAT in the amounts. Entering accurate costs early will give you the most precise profit reports. So take a few minutes to set them up and make the most of ZonWizard's profit tool. See you in the next tutorial.